7 step. This is just like the 6, but we're just adding a step. So from where we step in, 1, you're gonna step over and then back. And it's just like a little tap, okay? Then 4, swing in front, shift your weight, step back, 6, step under, 7. You're back at your starting position. Okay, so one more time, we're gonna look at this slowly. You're gonna go in, 1, that tap, over, step over your leg, 2, and then 3. Leg straight, 4, hook in front, 5, hand up, shift your weight, step back, 6, and then step under, 7. Y'all practice this one. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Peace.